Good day, my name is Mariama Price. I'm from South Africa in the northwest province of the country. My aim is to motivate and inspire everybody in this world to use moringa. Moringa is a superfood. Moringa is a plant that's grown in many places in this world, but it's also now available in powder form, capsule form. It's available in teas. The leaves are freshly available in some places as well. And I would like to inspire you and tell you a little bit more about this wonder food. Moringa is full of absolute amazing properties. Moringa really can heal your body. Moringa can sort so many things out. We have professionals that's going to teach you all about the value of moringa. But my aim today is to just get you excited about this plant. Everybody else will tell you how much you will get out of it and benefit out of it. But the big problem we have today is why people are not using this superfood is because they don't know where they should start to use it. It's not just about popping a capsule. It's easy to buy capsules online or get capsules from your pharmacy or from a local store. But let's have a look and see how can we maybe stock up on more pieces of moringa. Moringa we can grow. We can grow the plant yourself. You can use fresh leaves, and you can actually introduce these fresh leaves into your daily eating habits. Moringa we can eat as this, or we can actually put it into a salad. There is some wonderful ways. If you look at your magazines, you will look at your magazine and you will say, there's a beautiful picture, let me do that today. But if you take your moringa and you just sprinkle that with your salad, you will actually have a wonderful, healthy meal to add to your daily routine. We can, in your salts, we can't just buy it and say, okay, we need to drink that capsule. Let's add it. Let's add it to our mixtures of herbs that we put into our food. Then I'm going to suggest to you, take your moringa and put it in your bottles. Make sure it is available. You can make it fine. The leaves you can dry. It never goes to waste. Moringa, you pick it, you buy it fresh, or you buy the leaves, buy the powder, put it in your bottles, because once it's in your bottles, you would be able to use it frequently and with ease. Mix it already with your pink salt. You know what? Put it in a bottle, mix it, and make sure that it's ready to use. When you do your seasoning, just if it's in there, you're going to use it. If it's in a bottle packed away in a cupboard as a medicine, you're not going to use it. Then, when you use your chili bites, add it to your chili bites. Put it already, mix it together so that when you do your chili bite, you make your little fry, put it in your coatings. Mix it already with your coatings. It will be wonderful to make sure that you add it in your daily life. Put it in jars. Make sure you have it ready for yourself to use. It is so important that we start teaching also our young ones, the little ones, the importance of moringa. If the little ones know that it's part of vegetables, part of nutrition, and they understand they will be healthy, we can make gummy bears and put it in a gummy bear that the little ones from a very young age can start eating moringa, and they will start loving moringa because they will have lots of energy, they will feel healthy, they will feel their bodies are operating. The mums and dads is going to be happy because they're going to be able to concentrate at school. They're going to be not hyperactive, but they're going to be normal, active children that are good children that can concentrate on their schoolwork and that they can actually really go out and do excellent study work while they're using their moringa. It'll be good if you introduce it to the children in the communities. Make a community project and take it out there. Teach the mothers, the grandmothers. The children is going to teach the grandmothers and tell them all about moringa. Let's have storytelling about moringa, how good it can be for us. We can make pestos. You can just imagine every day you add a little bit of moringa in every meal and in every situation in your life. When you drink your tea, try and buy something that's got moringa in it, or you can even make your own moringa tea by just adding a little bit of moringa leaves or moringa powder to ginger. You can use ginger, fresh ginger, or you can use ginger powder. You can add turmeric to it. It will make a lovely blend. I make a lovely tea by using, I'm from South Africa. I make the Mariama tea, and that is got, it's got the moringa, the lavender, mint, and it has got rooibos also in it. It's all very, very good products. But start using it. Be innovative. All of you want to promote moringa. You want to really get out there and get the communities excited. We should have workshops. We should go out at schools, have competitions about moringa. Yes, combine it with other herbs and other lovely foods, healthy foods. The moment you start combining and you give ideas, people will get excited because they will say, wow, now it's not just a medicine that I'm using. It will become part of their daily intake. And yes, the doctors are going to tell you how much value it has got. And the farmers will tell you you must use it because of the value. And yes, I would like you to really go out there and put it in your homes. It mustn't be just in one product of moringa. Start using moringa soap. Moringa soap, you also take that good value through your skin into your body. Do a foot soak. My tea, I put the moringa in, make a tea, and when it's left over, I'll put it in a foot soak or in my bath. And you just soak your hands, you soak your feet, and all those good nutrients are getting taken up through your skin, and you will feel your skin will be smoother, softer, it will look healthier, your mind will start thinking more clearer because moringa makes you think very, very clear. You would just find a general health advancement in your daily activity. Make sure that you talk to people about moringa. The more we start talking about it, let's put it in the magazines, in the newspapers. Let's advocate and say how good this superfood is. It's been out there for many, many years. It was known in India as a superfood and a healing product. And Venezuela, it's been all over the world. Up in Africa, it's been used a lot. And here you in Uganda, start using it. I'm in South Africa. I actually live in an area where there is no moringa right where I live. I'm the only one growing it here in my area. And then there are a few other people more in the warmer areas. But I've decided to grow it as annual. And it's not the plants, some of them survive after our winters. We have a very bad cold frost here. But I said to myself, that is not going to stop me from growing moringa. After I realized the very, very excellent properties of this wonderful plant. And the beauty is you can use it fresh, you can dry it. It never goes to waste. For old people, it is for sick children and old sick people. It is the most wonderful thing that you can offer them is to make them a cup of moringa tea. Can you just imagine you feed them? They get not just in the value of the moringa, they get food in because it's a protein. So they really can get so much value to it. You feed them and you make them healthy and you actually make them stronger. So give it to anybody that's sick. Then what you also have to do is you have to really put it into your creams. You can mix it with shea butter. You can mix it with any other creams. Just add it. Get the oils. There's moringa oil on the market as well. And yes, let's promote it. Let's get going. And I really think that we have such a wonderful, wonderful product here that we can really get everybody to be healthy and we can grow wealth through it. Can you just imagine you start growing, you sell it, you make some money, you create products, you can be innovative. You really have excellent, excellent product that you can just, you can blow your mind with it because you can really do so much. The seeds can be used. You can eat the seeds, just soak it a little bit and eat the seeds. You can grind the seeds and put that in the food as well. You can clarify water with the seed pulps. There is so much that you can do. The only thing that I can say is just be careful when you use the roots, because the roots might be too strong. And that's the only part of the moringa that I would say be careful with the roots. But even the stems of the moringa, you can eat that. You can make animal feed with that. You dry it and you grind it, and you can really feed your animals with it. The dogs, they make dog food with moringa. Cattle, pigs, poultry. It's been an excellent food for all of us, for anybody on this earth. I cannot believe that we actually have wasted all the years not knowing and not promoting this wonderful plant. But don't feed your body then with sugar. If you want to drink the tea, don't add the sugar, add honey. Make sure that you combine it with the good foods and not with the bad foods. Let's really eliminate then the bad foods from this major intake. But go for it and really enjoy. All the other people are going to tell you about. There's so many videos out there that will tell you about the value of it. But for me, it is about now promoting it. Bring it out to the public and teach our little ones. The little ones are going to get excited. The little ones are going to really show us in future how we can use this to get excited about. And go and be innovative. Get competitions out there. Let the public teach us as growers and promoters, and let moringa do the major thing for us. Thank you. Bye.